Why is data needed to unlock the capabilities of cloud? Traditional computing is about taking a piece of information, an input, through an algorithm in order to get an output. This can be a very tedious process. It requires someone to teach a computer what to do one step at a time. Sure, it can follow those steps faster than any human, but it can only do what humans have programmed it to do and nothing more. Traditional computing therefore follows a static process. With cloud computing, things change. You can provide both the input and output data side by side and generate a trained algorithm. This means it uses a combination of existing input and output data to learn the correct outcome when faced with information it hasn't encountered before. It is therefore self-learning. For instance, in an image recognition application, such as Google Photos, you can provide your photos, the input, and the correct identifier of the friend or family member in the photo, so the output. Then you can train the image recognition algorithm embedded in the app to automatically recognize and categorize new photos of your family members or friends, even if their appearance goes through significant changes over time. That's the case, for instance, of a baby that grows to become a child and then eventually an adult. The app will still be able to identify the person in any new photo at every stage of their development. Another example of combining compute power and data to create new user experiences can be seen in social media apps. From personalizing your newsfeed to better targeted advertising, social media platforms use machine learning to learn about user preferences and intent. This can be used to recommend people you may know, for example. The embedded ML algorithm is learning from the profiles that you visit often, your interests, locations you tag in photos, your searches, or a group that you share with someone. It then compiles a recommended list of people you may want to become friends with or to follow using this information. The accuracy and performance of the algorithm is also based on the millions of users that the algorithm is constantly learning from. We'll talk more about the possible applications of machine learning in the Innovating with Data and Google Cloud course and the role that ML plays in digital transformation. For now, move on to the next module to continue with this course.